In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste table from ChatGPT to Google Sheets. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to generate a clean table in ChatGPT and get it into your spreadsheet without messy formatting. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. From there, open ChatGPT in a new tab so you have both Google and ChatGPT ready to go. Keeping both tabs open makes it easier to switch between generating the table and pasting it into your sheet. In ChatGPT, type a clear prompt that asks for a table you can copy directly into Google Sheets. For example, you might say, "Create a table that I can directly copy and paste into Google Sheets." Then add a short requirements section describing exactly what you need. Include details like your column headers, the number of rows, any specific data formats, and the order of the columns. The clearer your requirements, the cleaner the paste will be. Avoid adding personal or sensitive information in your request. Once ChatGPT returns the table, select only the table content. Make sure you don't include any extra notes or explanations above or below it, since those can interfere with the paste. Drag to highlight the entire grid, then copy it using your standard shortcut. Now switch to Google Sheets. Open an existing spreadsheet or start a new one. Click into the top left cell where you want the table to begin, usually A1, so the data aligns properly across rows and columns. Paste the content. You should see the data fill the cells. Right after you paste, look for a small Paste Options icon or drop-down that appears near the selection. Click that drop-down to reveal additional paste choices. From the menu, choose Paste as Table. This ensures Google Sheets interprets the content as a structured grid rather than plain text. If everything was copied cleanly, your headers should land in the first row, and each data point should sit in its own cell. If anything looks misaligned, undo, recopy just the table portion in ChatGPT, and paste again in the same starting cell. That's it. You've generated a well-structured table in ChatGPT, copied it, and pasted it into Google Sheets with the correct formatting. Use this flow anytime you need quick, consistent tables for analysis, lists, or reports. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother workflow between ChatGPT and Google Sheets.